English-Czech. Master, can.
Moci.
Fast. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we unlock the Czech power word for can.
Moci.
Imagine a door that opens every time you whisper.
Moci.
Yep, that's your new superpower. Laugh, repeat, and nail the forms. You've got this. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to say who can do what, clearly and confidently. Can equals.
Moci.
I can equals, base.
Moci.
Commonly said as.
Mohu, moci.
You can, singular, informal, equals.
Můžeš.
He can equals.
On může.
She can equals.
Ona může.
It can equals.
Může.
We can equals.
Můžeme.
You can, plural, formal, equals.
Můžete.
They can equals, infinitive shown.
Moci.
Often conjugated as.
Oni mohou, moci.
Forms with a smile. Let's plug these into friendly, real-life moments, short, sweet, and a little silly. I can bring snacks.
Mohu, moci, přinést svačinu.
You can sit here.
Můžeš.
See sednout tady. He can fix the Wi-Fi.
On může.
Opravit Wi-Fi. She can finish by noon.
Ona může.
Skončit do polední. It can rain later.
Může.
Přiset později. We can start now.
Můžeme.
Zakat Ted. You, all, can ask questions.
Můžete.
Say ta. They can help today.
Oni mohou, moci.
DNES pomoci. Mini dialogue. Listen first, then echo me with confidence. A. Can you help me move this box? B. Sure.
Můžeme.
To zavládnout spolu. A. Can he join us? B. Jasne.
On může.
Pridget HNED. A. And she can lead the meeting? B. Anyo.
Ona může.
Zakat V10. A. Team, you can all come in now. B. Dicky.
Můžete.
Jeet dal. Call and response drill. Repeat after me, out loud. Your neighbors will be impressed. Say, I can.
Mohu, moci.
Say, you can, singular.
Můžeš.
Say, he can.
On může.
Say, she can.
Ona může.
Say, it can.
Může.
Say, we can.
Můžeme.
Say, you can, plural, formal.
Můžete.
Say, they can, base.
Moci.
Victory lap. Yes, we can. Quote.
Ano, můžeme.
Quote. Culture tip. Converses know-how. Tiny nuance, big win. In Czech.
Moci.
Is about permission, possibility, can, while.
Umět.
Is about skill, know-how. So, I can swim, as a skill is often.
Umím.
Plavit, but if you mean you're allowed today, use.
Mohu, moci.
Plavit DNES? Bonus. Formal or plural, you can, takes.
Můžete.
While a friend one-on-one is.
Můžeš.
Quick quiz. Quick fire. Say the check out loud, then I'll reveal the answer. Q1. You can, singular, informal. A.
Můžeš.
Q2. We can. A.
Můžeme.
Q3. He can. A.
On může.
Q4. She can. A.
Ona může.
Q5. It can. A.
Může.
Q6. You can, plural, formal. A.
Můžete.
Q7. The base verb for can. A.
Moci.
Funny challenge. Build your own mini scene, make it goofy, make it yours. Create 3 lines using different subjects. I can. You can. We can. Example punchline. We can save the day with coffee. Now turn them into Czech with our words.
Mohu, moci. Můžeš. Můžeme.
Extra spice. Add a teammate line with.
Můžete.
A hero line with.
On může.
Or.
Ona může.
And a weather twist with.
Může.
It can. Grand finale. Whisper the magic key once more.
Moci.
Thanks and next steps. You crushed it, nice work. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Moci. Můžeš. On může. Ona může. Může. Můžeme.
And.
Můžete.
In tiny daily bursts. For transcripts, flashcards, and more Czech goodies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you in the next episode.